So I got my face all washed, and before I go and hit the pillow, before I put my lotions on, I'm going to brush my teeth, of course. So here's what I use every night. We all do in this family. The Norwex Cooling Mint toothpaste is our favorite. We also have a strawberry, and we use that with the grandkids when they are here and give it to them for their house because there are no toxins in the toothpaste, excuse me. And then here is our Silver Care toothbrushes from Norwex. And this base has silver. And then the bristles, I like the medium. The bristles are just a little bit stiffer. They're not terribly hard or stiff, but they do have silver running through them. I actually have I guess that's the same one. That was my travel one. Since I just got back from a trip, it needs to be put away. Anyway, the soft just doesn't have the silver running through the bristles, but silver inhibits the growth of bacteria, and I love having it in my toothbrush. And then the base, the silver head just pops out, and the bristles, and we just replace that about every 6 months. And so we're never throwing away the handle. We are just throwing away the bristles and the base and replacing that. So it's awesome.